Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing an anti-shake stabilizer selfie stick. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing an anti-shake stabilizer selfie stick that also is a tripod that has an LED light from the company Mocreo. And this is really perfect for those who take a lot of selfies or want to shoot video and actually want to keep those shots more stabilized and more, anti-shake. But before we get started with this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button, especially if you're new to our YouTube channel. And also turn on post notifications to receive alerts and updates whenever we do upload to our YouTube channel. Leave a like if you do enjoy this video. It gives me feedback, especially letting me know, if you guys actually did like this video. If you guys have any questions or concerns, make sure you guys go down below and actually leave a comment. I read all my comments and actually respond to every single one. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you're a business owner or a company owner and actually want to work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message and we can potentially work together on a product review. And then also, if you guys want to follow us on social media, our links and social media accounts are down below in the description. You guys can follow us on our various social media platforms to basically stay connected or reach or get quicker access to actually reaching out to me. But anyways, now we're going to switch our attention to this anti-shake stabilizer for a cell phone. But right now we're going to move on to the unboxing portion and first look portion of the video. So you guys can see the box of this anti-shake stabilizer is really simple. There's a picture of the stabilizer in front of the box right here, and then on the back and on the sides there's a lot of specifications and more details of this product that you guys can take a look back in a second, because I'm going to switch this onto a different camera angle that's more zoomed in and you guys can actually read it. So now we're actually going to switch over to the secondary camera angle. You guys can see this is a shot of the the front right here. You guys can see this is how the anti-shake stabilizer selfie stick looks like, and as you guys can see, it says a video photography bracket underneath the picture. You guys can see it shows you how to actually operate and with demonstration images. You guys can see it shows basically the whole process of actually setting it up. It shows more specifications right here if you guys want to take a pause and read it. So right now we're going to actually unbox this and actually take a closer look at this product. So what I'm going to do is unbox it from this side, and we just pull this tab out and then you just kind of slide it up. You guys can see the box basically just comes apart just like that. It's really simple, really easy, really quick to do. And we're greeted with the user manual. So you guys can see that's the company's name, Mocreo, and this is the user manual right here. It's a pretty short manual, but if you guys needed assistance or help or just needed more understanding on a certain piece of this product, you'll read this manual and get more information. And right here on the back, it demonstrates all the different pieces and different components of the selfie stick, and it also gives you operating steps that you guys can easily follow if you need help actually using the selfie stick. So we're going to put that off to the side right here. And all you got to do is lift this sheet of paper, and you guys can see this is where the selfie stick actually lives. We're going to take out the, the USB charging cable, which you guys can see right here. And we're going to put that off to the side right here. And then we're going to pull this selfie stick out. And that's basically all the contents of this box. So what we're going to do is actually, construct this box and set it aside. So the packaging of this selfie stick is really simple and very minimal. So all you got is the user manual, the USB charging cable, and the selfie stick itself. So there's not a lot of components to this, but like I said, this will help with video shooting and also capturing images because it's stabilizing all your shots that you're taking and video that you're taking. So in order to actually see the selfie stick in action, all you have to do is kind of bring this up to its what is it called, position, and then tighten it to your desired position. And right here is a handle that you don't have to use, but you can use. You guys can actually see right here the what is it called, the tripod legs on the side. There's 3 legs in total with this selfie stick, and all you have to do is pull it apart. It comes off like that, comes off like that, and those 3 different legs. And then in order to actually make this selfie stick stand up, there is a little switch that you have to actually switch over in order to actually keep the legs from standing up. Because right now, if I were to place this, it basically, see, it doesn't really actually hold up. But in order to actually make this selfie stick stand up, you guys have to go to this what is it called, switch, and basically switch it to the right, and boom. Now when I set it down, you guys can see it's actually standing up perfectly by itself. But right now we're going to move on to the test and demonstration portion before we continue actually messing around with this selfie stick. Alright guys, so now we're actually going to test this out. So I already showed you guys, how the tripod legs actually work and function. Like I said, this is what is it called? This handle right here is an optional handle that you can use, or a main if you decide to. If you don't want to use it, all you have to do is collapse it, and then it becomes a, just a typical selfie stick. So what I am going to actually do is actually take these legs back, put these legs back together, because it's kind of interfering with what I'm trying to show you guys. I forgot to mention that there is a remote control with this selfie stick. This is to like take images and stuff, and then all you have to do to actually take it out is you have to actually what is it called? Kind of pull it up. Oh, I just completely just dropped that. But you guys can see this is the remote control. This can allow you to actually take pictures via Bluetooth if you have Bluetooth on your phone or the device that you're using to take the video and images on. But yeah, it's really simple. It's really nice. You guys can see this is the handle. Like I said earlier, it is optional. And then, if you wanted to use this as a normal selfie stick, all you have to do is kind of hold it on like this. Really simple to use. But if you wanted to like shoot a video, you can actually hold it on and then take very steady shots with this bracket. And then I do want to show you guys this LED light that's on the top. So you guys can see this white thing on the top is actually a LED light. It's really simple to use. In fact, there's charging ports right here. So you guys can see this is where you plug the USB cable to charge it. But it's really simple to actually turn on. On the side of it, there's a button right here, and all you have to do is actually click it, and it should power on. Okay, so basically, actually, to access the light, you actually have to double click. So there's different brightness modes that you can change it to. So right now it's like dim. So that's like, a little more bright. And then you can go super bright. So like right now, if I had my phone connected, which we can actually, I can demonstrate for you guys. All you have to do is put your phone through and kind of slide this up in order to put your phone through. So you can see this part actually expands. And then my phone fits right through. And then right now I'll be ready to actually start taking footage and start taking video and images right now. And all you have to do is, there you go. Now it's a selfie stick. I could turn it around and be like, hey, hello guys, how you guys all doing? Really simple to use. And then what is it called? The handle right here. So if you want to take more detailed shots, you could also do this to get video shots. It's really nice. But what I am going to do is include some sample footage that I got from using this selfie stick, and I'll include it basically right here. As you guys can see from the sample footage I got, this selfie stick does a phenomenal job of actually stabilizing footage and also taking incredible images. But right now we're going to move on to the final reflections and remarks and end off this video. So what are my final opinions and remarks of this selfie stick from the company Mocreo? I really think that this selfie stick from the company Mocreo is really nice and actually really practical. It also serves as a tripod with the tripod legs that they included, and it also creates very stabilized anti-shake videos and images with the included handle or whatever you choose to use. The selfie stick itself isn't that heavy. You know, there is a little bit of weight to it on the bottom to obviously keep your shots more stabilized, because, you know, anything that's more heavier, it's going to be a hard time to kind of move, so you're going to get more smoother shots. And I forgot to mention that this product is an Amazon Choice product, so definitely it is a product that is up there. You know, it's not a cheap stabilizer that you might get for only $10 or like a small little tripod. This does actually help with the stabilization. And I forgot to mention and show you guys that you can twist this around. So if you wanted to take video in portrait mode, all you have to do is switch this around, and now it's in portrait mode. And you could also flip this around too, and now you can have it on the back facing this way and have the light going out this way. So yeah, there's many uses for this selfie stick. So I really think this is a practical product, especially if you do a bunch of photography or like you take a lot of pictures or video on your phone. I do recommend getting this to make your images and videos a lot more stronger and a lot more smooth and a lot more nicer, you know. And yeah, I do recommend you guys actually checking this product out. This is from the company Mocreo. This is an anti-shake stabilizer selfie stick with tripod with LED light. I know there's a lot of things included with this stick, but man, it does a lot of things, and I really appreciate that they added that versatility with this selfie stick. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this product review. If you are new to our channel, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button, especially if you're new, and also turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you go down below and leave a like, letting me know that you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys have any questions or concerns, make sure you guys go down below in the comment section and leave them down below. Like I stated earlier, I read every single comment and question I get, so you will get a response back from me. You guys can also follow us on our social media, various social media platforms that we are currently using, with the links down below in the description, or basically the annotations that have been showing it throughout this video. And then also, if you're a business owner or a company owner and actually want to work with us, our business inquiries email is CrewEliteYT@outlook.com. That's where you guys can shoot me a message, and we can potentially actually set up a product review in the future. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this product nonetheless, and I'll see you guys all on the next tech review and gadgets episode. CrewElite signing out. Hope to see you guys all on the next one, and have a good rest of your day.